Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Kivi Interface Manager application. Before starting, make sure that you have already downloaded the app and set an account. Also, make sure that you have a proper internet connection and a proper Bluetooth connection. Now, make also sure that you have the vehicle with ignition on, not the engine running, but the ignition has to be on, as well as the power box from Kivi on. Now, please click on the Kivi Interface Manager icon. It will load and it will come preset in English, but if you need to change the language, you can go on the up and right icon of settings here and change the language. In this case, we are keeping it in English. Don't forget to press OK to save it. Now, you have to connect the power box with the application. Click on the next icon on the little circle, always up on the right. You will see AC module AE36. That's the name of the power box that you will be connecting, and it will also be printed on the physical power box on a label. If you have multiple power boxes, please make sure to select the right one. We press OK and we connect the power box and the application together. Now you see this screen and it says connected. First things, we have to do the calibration. You will go on the down and right side here on calibration and click. You will see HMI calibration and pedal calibration. It's not important which one you do first, but make sure that you accelerate on all sides. In this case, I will first accelerate with the pedal and says pedal detected. And now I am accelerating with the K5 in one side and the other. You will see in the back that it will be green when I am accelerating. Now we press OK. Don't forget to press OK, this way it can be saved. You will see on the lower part that says first operate select. This means that the first device that you touch, that you activate, will be the one activated. In this case, I will be using the K5. Accelerated, accelerated. Now I will be accelerating with the pedal, and as you see, nothing is happening. This is already the first part that we have done. Now we go to choose the curve of the acceleration. We go on parameters and we create a new set, create a new user. First name, in this case I will probably use a made-up name, Sebastian. And last name, Stan. User, Seb. Password. Okay, this part is not important on what you use to select. It can be the name and the surname of the user, it can be the module, it can be the order, it can be whatever you need as a reference. Now we select on the user and we create a new set of curves. For example, this person, Sebastian, is driving with an Audi A1, for example. Okay. Here we see already a set of a curve. As you can see, you have the current curve, which is in gray, and the new curve, which is in orange. As you can see, there are three types: the flat, the linear, and the steep. Now you can change this curve as you want, up and down, here or here, however you prefer, to make sure that the acceleration fits as much as possible the user. For example, in this case, Sebastian likes to drive a more steep type of acceleration up to a certain point. Remember to set the curve by following safety first as well as the needs of the driver. In this case, we are keeping it a bit steep, for example, and we save this curve. The curve has been set to the module. Now we go back and we can proceed from here to the new part of the tutorial where you can see how to use the Heal Start Allowed part. This will be studied next time.